Okay, yes, ganito yan. Actually, I was invited by Urban Manila Sketchers. So, I joined them. So, actually, I'm a professional visual artist.
Fine arts guys.
Yes, from University of Santo Tomas. So, yan, ang objectives namin is to help the youth who have potentials, who have skills in in arts, yung drawing, to help them, to nurture them, their talents. So ganun yun. So wala namang limit, basta if you want to join, so pwede naman yun. So ganun kami. So actually, yun din naman ang objective ko as a professional artist, as a visual artist. Kasi in old school, of course I'm an alumni, to inspire the youth. Inspire them. Inspire them. So kami yung mga seniors na dapat yun, tumutulong to help them. Those who have talent in arts. And then yung in regards with the budget, we have no budget naman. So if you want to join, so you can join. Here in Baguio, we're invited of NCCA, the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. So as you can see on my t-shirt, so the 6 days nagkaroon kami ng parang siguro parang hindi ko alam comprehension or ng every year ginagawa yon. So lahat ng artists all over the Philippines, they are invited. So each group yon. So iba-ibang talent yon. Merong tattoo artist, merong sketchers kami, meron sa painting. So all about arts. Oo, all about art. So meron din street art. Yung mga nagbabandalize, meron din ganon. So I was surprised, meron pa ng ganon. So nagkakaroon kami ng parang collaboration, sharing. So yun, minimit namin isa. Nag-meet kami bawat isa. So ganon. And also I think funded by the local government of, I'm not sure, but it was supported by the local government of Baguio. So yun.
UNESCO Creative City kasi ang Baguio eh.
So ganon. What else?
Every Sunday may joke art kami dito.
No, wala pa naman kasi this is my second time. In this summit o conference in Baguio. First time ko pala.
And yung ginawa ninyo sa freehand drawing?
Freehand only mga 5 minutes lang. 5 minutes lang kasi nandun yun nakaupo, so kailangan mabilis lang. Kailangan mabilis lang.
Sir, how do you master this sketching?
This sketch?
Paano na-master yung 3 to 5 minutes?
Practice lang. Kasi kailangan 5 to 7 minutes. Kailangan,
may output na.
Mabilis na yan. Kasi pag gumalaw yung tao, so mahirap pabulin kasi yung position niya. So katulad nito, mabilis lang to. So gumagalaw yan sa abangan ko siya.
Ano ang guide ninyo sa para makuha ninyo ng eksaktong proportion tama?
Maybe because of my experience. So, bata pa ako, lumaki, nag-aral ako sa university, and then I have experience abroad. Galing ko abroad eh. Galing ko ng I work as a illustrator at a French publishing company. So I'm an illustrator and graphic designer. So yun ang trabaho ko.
It become your profession?
Yeah, it become my profession. Now I'm a visual artist. Before I'm a graphic designer and illustrator. Sa visual artist, lahat ng art dapat alam mo. Like yung medium, lahat ng medium dapat alam mo. So ganun ang visual artist. Hindi lang siya particular in one area. So dapat alam mo din yung mga area ng art. So dapat may alam din doon. Whether painting, oil. In Manila, tuturo ako sa BGC. Ng mga iba-ibang kabataan.
Fine art, sir.
Nagtuturo ako ng acrylic painting. Acrylic painting. So, ganun.
Ano po yung pagkaiba ng may nagtuturo na mentor sa iyo kaysa yung self-supporting na one?
Ano yun?
Yung difference ng may nagtuturo sa acrylic kaysa dun tinitignan mo na parang self-learning.
Yun,
What is the difference there?
actually, it's all about talent eh. Sometimes, you discover late na, doon mo lang na you have talent pala. But although meron naman nag-aaral, wala naman focus. So dapat meron kang focus kasi hindi naman lahat ng may talent, pwedeng sabihin na papunta na siya dun sa pagiging professional. So, minsan hindi rin eh. So dapat ganun.
Yung talent ba at skill ay magkaiba ang definition niya?
Talent and skill.
Oh.
Talent and skill.
That's referring to art na sa
Talent and
Sa talent
skill.
is born by
Ang talent kasi inborn. Ang skill, pwede mong pag-aralan.
na magiging
Oo,
talent.
nagiging talent. So, mas maganda yung talent at the same time may skill ka. So, mas maganda yon. Pero kung talent lang, pero hindi mo naman in-nurture, hindi mo ginagawa, so wala rin.
Mawawala.
Pwedeng nandun lang, pero hindi ka mag-improve.
kailangan ng maraming practice, sir.
Maraming practice, maraming ideas. Iba kasi yung may formal studies, you are creative, may mga ano yon. Alam mo yung from baba pataas yun. So ganun. Kabilisan. Okay na yun.
Thank you, sir.
I-edit mo na lang.
Yes, sir.